Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, so it is time for another human hair wig review today. And this is a kinky straight wig, 16 inches from OMGHerHair, y'all. So this is my first purchase from OMGHerHair. And I must say, I absolutely love it. So this is pretty much your ready to wear wig. I didn't wash it beforehand like I normally do. Took it out of the package, kind of did some spraying to the lace, cut the lace off. And this is actually a 360 wig, by the way. So I'll probably do some experimenting with this wig in the future and, you know, do some cute little updos. But for now, this is the style I came out with. So if you'd like to see the review and installation on this wig, make sure you stick around. Alright, y'all, so this is the unboxing of the wig and the lovely box that it came in. I'm going to set the hair aside for now, but it comes with an elastic band to sew in the cap if necessary, a wig cap, as well as bobby pins. And here's a nice little cute care card. Alright, so let's get into this hair. Here are some of the specs. It is 16 inches, it's 130% density, kinky straight Indian Remy human hair. And it is a 360-degree wig, and it is pre-plucked. So this is the nice kinky hair that makes me think of a nice blowout on my natural hair. Here is what the cap construction is looking like. It has two of the combs on the sides, one in the back with the adjustable straps. And there is 13 by 6 parting area in the front. Okay, so I decided to use the Sally Hansen tanning spray to spray in the lace parting area. I've done this before, but for some reason I really wasn't feeling it on this wig, so I sprayed it all over the lace parting area and put some Got to Be Glued free spray on top of that and blow dried it to get it to dry. But I just didn't really like the color that it turned it, and I wish I hadn't done that, so I'll probably be washing that right out. So as you can see, I've already cut off the lace, and now I'm going to go ahead and secure the wig using this black bottle Got to Be Glued gel, the clear version. So now I'm just going to flat iron it all throughout the wig to kind of flatten it out a little bit. It's a little thick and fluffy, so I want to make it nice and sleek. I'm spraying some of this argan oil on it, which is a heat protectant as well as a nice oil for shine. And I'll be spraying that all throughout the hair as well.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I wanna feel free to go wherever I choose, free to stay or just cut loose, free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance.
So right now I'm just cleaning up the lace, any excess glue, so that I can fix this cast of a lace that's driving me nuts. It's probably driving y'all nuts too. So I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the color medium to dark, and more of the dark color because this little cast was driving me crazy. So this kind of helped a lot.
I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet.
All right, you guys, so I am back with my final review. I went ahead and finished my makeup, finished getting dressed because I'm about to go out on the town with my girlfriends. It's ladies' night tonight. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm always excited to see my girls, y'all. I got some excellent girlfriends that I'm just so blessed to have. Hey, girlfriends. Anyway, so this is the final review for this hair, y'all. So you saw the struggles I went through with the lace because I made the infamous error of using the tanning spray. Now, I've used that before, y'all, no lie, and it's worked, but I feel like maybe I shouldn't have used it on this one. I don't really know what the difference was and why it didn't work as well, but I felt like it made the lace like stupid light, lighter than my complexion. So I had to go in with my contour palette, the medium to dark contour palette, and use kind of the darker color to kind of get it back to, you know, a reasonable color that kind of blends in with my color. So that was kind of my only challenge, really. And then I also made the mistake of trying to create some baby hairs, and my hair was already in a ponytail. I fixed it though, don't worry, I fixed it. So this hair, oh my gosh, like the texture, it feels like it's a kinky wig, so a kinky straight wig, so it feels like you just gotta blow out. So that's why I went through and flat ironed it. It's easy to, it took a flat iron very, very nice. Like I feel like I have a lot of body, there's no tangling, like the hair is beautiful, okay? So I can see me pulling this out quite frequently. This is an excellent wig, highly recommended, by the way. I don't know why I decided to go with the little high ponytail. I just figured it was gonna be cute. I didn't really want to wear it, you know. I will another day. I'll come back with an update and just wear it all down and see how that looks. I'll do an update in like a month or so. And I'm sure it'll be just as cute, but I just felt like doing something a little different today. I just felt like summer vibes, y'all. It's summertime. This is a summer baby right here, y'all. So I am here for the summer. So that's why I got all these vibrant colors going on. Yes, honey, I'm ready for the summer. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not. And make sure your notifications are turned on so that you know the next time I upload a video. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
Got my head over water for the first time in years.